Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another amazing video. Today's video I want to take you through how to make the marble fondant and how to cover your cake with the marble fondant. It's very simple. I'm going to use this fondant. I made it a bit earlier and it has started to harden up. So what I've just added into my hand is glycerin, an edible glycerin just for bakers, and this is to soften the fondant and to make it more elastic so that when you're rolling out you will not be having. You can use shortening if you don't have that glycerin. So I will make this rod and then cut it into pieces. I want white to dominate my colors. I'm going to use 3 shades of blue. After rolling it like that, put aside. Then I will repeat the same with these other colors, the shades of blue. Make sure that it's very soft, then roll it, then attach it to this. Just line them up like that. And another shade of blue, and this time I'm going with the darker shade of blue. Simple, you just play around with color. And it's easier to work with one color. You simply add more color to the one you want to get darker and less to the one you want to get lighter so that it will give you a beautiful design. Just simply attach them to one another. And so here I have 3 shades of blue plus white. I will just fold them together and then twist it to blend. The more you twist, the more the marble dense will be. So don't do it too much because you don't want to lose its beauty. We want the color to blend nicely. Guys, if you're clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. This is a home where delicious meals are made simple and easy. And I also share baking skills. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, like this video, support my channel, and press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be among the first to get notified. And watch the video up to the end. So once done, sprinkle some icing sugar or corn flour on the worktop so that it doesn't stick when rolling out. Thereafter, roll it out using a dusted rolling pin. You can see it's bringing out a very lovely design, very pretty. Don't overroll it. And the designs are different on both sides, so you can choose which pleases you and use it. Place it carefully on your already crumb coated cake. Try and let it fit well. Align it using your fingers and then use a smoother to smooth it further. I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you want to know how to make the fondant from scratch, kindly let me know in the comment section below so that I can do a video on that. Use a sharp knife to trim the excess fondant. Can you believe I'm making a fondant cake for the second time? Actually, I decided to go with this blue because they were left over from the last fondant cake I did of the shades of blue. Using this molder, I'm going to mold a border using a thin fondant and insert it inside the molder and pressing down the fondant to get the design I want. I just want to go with this simple design. I don't want to complicate things. I'm making this cake for a very special lady. It's her birthday and she needs to celebrate it in a very special way. So once done, you remove it from the molder and place it at the edge of the cake. This one is going to act as a border and also to seal the lower part of the cake. Brush the cake with some water to help the border stick well on the fondant. We'll continue to mold other borders that will cover the cake all around to seal the bottom part. Thereafter, I'm going to beautify my cake with these beads. These are sugar beads. And as well, you also need to wet the fondant before placing them so that they don't fall. If it's dry, all these sugar beads will roll down, more so when you're moving it around, so water helps in holding them tight. And our cake here, the marble looks so lovely. It's very pretty, and topping it up with a rosette And there we go, look at it. It's very pretty and it was yummy as well. It was nice having you around. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I hope to see you in my next one. Happy baking!